What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Kevin Pack. In today's video, we're going to be talking about Amazon dropshipping and what it is, and is it something that I would personally do. So a little background about myself. I am a multiple six-figure Amazon seller, but I specialize in private label, meaning that I brand products that are already existing and I sell those. Now, Amazon dropshipping is different. You actually don't hold any inventory, you're not branding anything, you're just selling existing products. You're kind of like a middleman in between Amazon and your supplier in a way, right? Versus private label, you hold inventory yourself and then you send it off to Amazon as well. Now, the thing with this is dropshipping, the way it works is you create a product listing on Amazon, and whatever customer buys, when they buy from your listing, then you're gonna contact your supplier and they will send it out to the customer directly for you. That's how dropshipping works. And there's a lot of pros and cons to this. Number one, the biggest thing is that there's not a lot of upfront costs because you don't have to hold inventory. So versus for me, I have to pay for the inventory upfront and then they send it to Amazon. But here, you don't have to pay for any inventory. You're just kind of directing and leading everybody to make the purchases and send the inventory, whatever the case may be. This is typically how they do it, is they will contact dropshipping suppliers from Alibaba or AliExpress or Walmart or anything like that, and they will send that into Amazon, and then that's how they make the purchase, all right? So basically the customer is actually buying from Walmart or Alibaba or AliExpress and not directly from Amazon. That's basically how dropshipping works. Now the problem is that the reason why I would not do this business model is because that's against terms of service. Now you are allowed to dropship, but you have to do it from a legitimate wholesale supplier. That's different. You cannot do dropshipping from another marketplace like AliExpress, Alibaba, or Walmart or Target or whatever, because they are retailers. They are not wholesalers, so that's a big difference. Now most dropshipping businesses, they use retailers because they have better margins, they have better profit margins. If you go from a wholesaler, your margins are gonna be very, very slim. That's actually against terms of service. Amazon does not want you to do that. And that's one of the biggest problems with dropshipping, and why I wouldn't do it is because I don't want my account to be suspended. I don't want to lose my privileges of selling on Amazon. I'm already doing really, really well. I don't want to risk that. So that's one of the biggest reasons, is that it's against terms of service, and the profit margins aren't too great. From what I've heard, that people are usually getting about 10% profit margins after everything from Amazon, versus for me, when I do private label, I get like 30 to 35% profit margins. Big difference there, 3 times as much profit doing that. Personally, on my preference, I would not do dropshipping. It's not really my cup of tea, if I would say. And I want to build a sustainable business that I want to exit in the future and sell off. And with dropshipping, you can't do that because you're not building your own brand. You are building something that's kind of like fast money in a way. So I don't want to make fast money. I want to make sustainable, long-term, big money. That's what I want to do. And that's why I advise people don't get into dropshipping. If you're gonna start off in a business, I think Amazon FBA is a great way to start your fundamentals of learning how to do a business, because that's the basis of how any business is. You know, like for example, this laptop, basically kind of a private label item, because you see a bunch of different laptops, but there's a bunch of different brands. So basically, even though not everyone has the same laptop, it's still a laptop, but there's a bunch of different brands over it. That's how Apple's so successful, you know, Dell, other companies, they are creating private label products, they're improving it and making their own, and that's basically what I do. And I want to be able to do that for the long term and sell that business off in the future if I want to, right? But you can't do that with dropshipping. It's just fast turnover money, and it's not very sustainable as well. And also, you could risk getting your account banned. I don't think anybody wants to risk that. I know I would not want to do that. That is basically my opinion on Amazon dropshipping. So I really advise you guys, you do your due diligence, do your research. There is money to be made on dropshipping Amazon, but you need to make sure you do it the right way, and I would not advise doing it the illegal way, because you are just putting yourself at risk, putting your money at risk as well. So that is my video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. It was just a quick one. I hope you guys gained some information on that and got some perspective on that, because I've been seeing this trending a little bit, this Amazon dropshipping. Been seeing it trend around YouTube and TikTok, so I thought I'd bring it to the table. And from a six-figure seller like myself, I wanted to give my opinion out there. So that is the video today, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next one. As always, go make that money. I'll see you later. Peace.